Opening a bank account in Georgia is a seamless process, especially for foreign investors and residents. First, choose a bank that caters to expatriates, such as TBC Bank or Bank of Georgia. Prepare essential documents. Your passport, proof of residency, and a reference letter from your current bank can be beneficial. Visit a local branch to initiate the process, as most banks require a personal visit. Fill out the application form and provide your documents. Most banks offer both local and foreign currency accounts, so consider which option suits your needs best. The account can usually be opened within a few hours, and you'll receive a debit card and online banking access promptly. One of the significant advantages of bank accounts in Georgia is the low fees and minimum balance requirements. Additionally, Georgia has a favorable banking climate, with a strong commitment to safeguarding deposits. To manage your account efficiently, utilize online banking tools to track transactions and set alerts for low balances. Always keep abreast of local regulations and tax implications for foreign accounts to ensure compliance. Overall, banking in Georgia is a strategic choice for diversifying your financial portfolio.